Cut a piece to the desired length. Then cut the appropriate width with reference to the vertical yarn. About 3 times the width of the hem. Tear off a few vertical strips of yarn to the width you want. We first sew the 2 pieces together with a French seam. Fabric back to back, sewn 0.5 centimeters. Then trim the seam to 0.3 cm. Then the reverse side of the fabric is facing up, clamp the seam allowance, and sew 0.5 cm. Place the BanRoll on the fabric face, aligning the edges. Sew close to the vertical yarn, but don't sew into it. Flip to the wrong side of the fabric and fold it. Sew 0.1 cm thread on the edge of the fabric. Gently pull to the sides, use hands. Follow the steps to sew the remaining section. So the seam of the two sections. It's done, the edges and seams are very nice. Then sew the other side with a French stitch. A perfectly rounded edge is done. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel.